Hello lovelies, welcome to our channel, Lovely Dolls and Toys. Today we are going to unbox my mom, Moana. Moana is the classical doll from Disney Store. Hello mommy. Hello my dear Moana. Moana's got cute brown eyes, peachy brown lips, dark brown hair, almost black, super long and curly. The quality is very nice. She's got this gorgeous necklace, orange top with velcro in the back, cute long skirt with velcro in the front. This is the back side of the skirt. She can move her hands this way, this way, this way. She's got very big legs with only little movement in the knee, almost none, and she can bend. She's got this cute and big paddle. You can purchase them in Disney Store. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye!